yeah, I wanted to learn a French swear.
Okay, tell me, which one do you want me to teach you?
Is the one for like holy shit?
Oh, we don't really have holy shit, but we just say like, you know, shit, like merde.
Merde! Merde. Am I saying it right?
Yeah, it's good, it's good. But the most common one we say is like fuck. So it's putain.
Putain!
It's really good, yeah. Make a crazy anger in the tone of your voice.
Putain!
Yeah. And
Putain merde!
oh yes, exactly. You can mix both of them two together.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
It's so funny. Putain merde!
You're really good with the French accent. Like, have you like tried to do French before?
I don't know. They did like French in my school.